Hello everyone! Whether you want to dunk it, dip it, or sprinkle it, you will surely love these mini donut pops for a quick treat. So if you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl and a sieve, we will take our dry ingredients first, that is the all-purpose flour, to which we will add the baking powder. And sieve it through to help ensure we distribute the baking powder well into the flour. This step is what creates the fluffy texture. Give it a quick stir. Once you're done with that, we will now add the wet ingredient, that is, the yogurt or the curd. Make sure it is at room temperature and give it a mix with the help of a spatula. Avoid using a whisk here as it will only make the dough more dense, and similarly do not overmix it either. We are aiming for a soft and slightly sticky dough. Now fill it up into a piping bag, but in case you do not have one, you can always use a Ziploc bag or a freezer bag instead. Here I'm using a round tip nozzle. You can very well skip it if you want. You can directly pipe it out from the bag. Once that's ready, we will heat up the oil for deep frying over a low-medium heat. You'll know the oil is ready when the dough floats to the top with a little sizzle on the sides. It is best to use a scissor to cut and drop an even-sized dollops directly into the hot oil. Avoid overcrowding them, as this helps each one to cook evenly. And you can do this in 3 batches. Give it a stir to get an even browning on all sides. They take just about 3 minutes until they turn an even brown color. Transfer them onto a paper towel to remove the excess oil. And similarly, we will repeat the same for the rest of the dough. I would love to know where you're watching this video from. Do write to me in the comments below. Allow them to cool slightly. And in the meanwhile, we will prepare the coating. For the first one, we will take some caster sugar along with some cinnamon powder and give it a quick stir. If there is a different coating you can think of, do let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. There are many ways you can coat these little donut pops. In fact, you can try some with caramel sauce that can harden once cooled. It'll be a great crunch to bite on these little donut balls. But of course, nothing beats the original cinnamon flavor. Going ahead with the next coating, we will take some melted dark chocolate and similarly dunk these little beauties in it and coat them well to get a perfect chocolate coated treat. And if you're a fan of white chocolate, surely you can coat it with that too. Or if you'd like both, give a drizzle of white chocolate over the dark chocolate and you can have a taste of both. Next, we will make a sugar glaze with some icing sugar and a little cold milk. Give it a quick stir and prepare the glaze. You can even add a hint of few lemon drops to give it a sweet and tangy burst of flavor. Simply dip the donut balls into the glaze and coat them evenly. Allow them to dry for a few minutes to give that crisp texture on the surface, creating a glossy, sugary finish that looks as good as it tastes. And there you have it, our mini donut pops in 3 fabulous flavors. Now let us see the texture on the inside. Soft and fluffy. Perfect. Just what we are looking for. Which ones are you most excited to try? Sure, your little ones will be the first to pop a handful. Give it a try and let me know which one would you like. The cinnamon, the sugar glaze, or the chocolate. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.